My wife and I went to Savannah, Georgia back in 2014. That was the very first Chef Dez Culinary tour. It was fantastic. So I used to do these culinary tours, took a group of people privately to different areas of the world to really experience cuisine, culture, just immerse ourselves in that area. 2014 was Savannah, Georgia. 2015 was the state of Texas. 2016 was Prince Edward Island with Chef Michael Smith. 2018 was Spoons and Tunes, Nashville, Memphis, and New Orleans. In 2019, we were supposed to go to Portugal, but unfortunately, I was short by like 6 people or something, and in the end, just couldn't pull it together. I decided at that point to kill the tours. Probably not going to start them again in that grand of a scale, maybe something smaller, just because it's just so much work to organize the whole tour, where we're going to stay and get everything booked and organized. And you spend all that time marketing and putting word out just to have, you're short by 6 people and you got to cancel the whole thing and then nothing's a go. It was really difficult. And then after that, the pandemic hit. So all the travel was killed anyway. So it was a good time to sort of bow out, I guess. And we'll see what happens in the future. I got smaller things coming up, hopefully next year. We'll see how it goes. But local wine tours, local culinary tours to the Okanagan, small private groups of 6. That's what we're going to do. Okay. So look for it coming next year.